Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing something a little bit different from nails. I am installing this beautiful West Kiss hair. It is 30 inches, 250 density, and a 6x6 closure wig. I will be uploading more beauty videos on this channel, so stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and watch me install this hair. So after I put on my ball cap, I like to place the wig on my head just to see where I would like to place it so I can mark it. So right here, I like to take the tip of the rat tail comb, place it where I'm spraying it to prevent the spray from dripping down too far. So right here, you don't have to do this, but I like to take a needle and some thread and just sew around my perimeter to hold my cap in place because I don't like my cap sliding up underneath my wig. So right here, I took this lace tint spray, and I will have a full list in the description of everything that I used in this video. But I used this spray on my wig and on my cap. I used medium brown, I believe, but I don't think it was exactly my color. So I tried to go over it with some makeup, my foundation. You'll see in a few. But I don't know how I feel about this spray. I believe it has some oil in it and it caused my wig to lift up a little quicker than usual. So right here I'm getting ready to cut my cap and I'm using a pair of my cuticle scissors. I like to use these because they're curved and they can get really close to the cap and you can get a really nice cut with these. You can use any scissors you have, but I just prefer to use the cuticle scissors. So today I'll be using bolt hole. It's just a regular bolt hole. I got this from my local Beauty Masters. I'm pretty sure you can find it in any beauty supply store. So that was alcohol. I just went across my forehead to get the oils off. You want to make sure you get the oil off because the oil will make your wig lift up very, very fast. So now I'm taking my glue and I'm going across. You can use about 3 to 5 layers. I believe I used 3 layers on this install. So right here, I'm getting ready to put on my wig, and I just want to say, let your glue dry all the way. I was being very impatient. I was ready to see how this wig was going to come out. I was so excited, but let your glue dry all the way because you can see it at the end. But over time, it did dry, and it was still very beautiful. So after combing the hairs back, I like to take an elastic band, and they provided this one for me, and I put that on just to try to melt that lace down. So right here, I'm using an eyebrow razor. I like to use the eyebrow razor because it makes the cut jagged and it blends in a whole lot better. So after cutting my baby hairs, I tried this method I've been seeing all over YouTube. So I took my little mini flat iron and I curled my baby hairs downwards. And I liked it. I just need more practice with my baby hairs. But overall, I liked it. So while I let my edges sit, I'm now going to straighten this hair. And let me tell y'all, this hair is so beautiful. It is so soft. It is so long. It seems longer than 30 inches to me. It is just beautiful. It's very full. It shed just a tad bit, but not too much. It's just some really beautiful hair. So now I'm applying my mousse just to try to flatten it down. And this is my finishing results, you guys. Once again, this hair is very beautiful. I will be doing an update on this hair. So just stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe.